coming from the land down under, brother Australian. About to pass it off to my brother rugged Jamaican.
Yeah man, the elephant. Time now for speak my mind and for claim a remittance. Never trust a shaky smile, for stay vigilant. But my faith never froze, my enemies been on the troll. Still we out here opening doors. Silent. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy. Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel.
Wagwan. Who are you? I got some Pamso toys for you.
Yes, man. So, welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. It's winter in Australia, as you all should know by now. And I mean, it's a Tuesday, and what this means is I'm not working. I have 4 days off. Babes after training, and I'm staying home with little Bobo. You know what I mean? So, what can we do while we have time off? Is just go out and do some adventure. You know what I mean? So, with doing that, picked up this bike trailer, they call it, yesterday, last night at least, and it was a Facebook marketplace. Paid $30 Australian for it. Pick it up from our home, and yeah, it's second hand. The guy said all it needs to do is pump the tires and give it a bit of clean up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and Island can be inside of it. Also have this, which normally I used to bring him on. He sits in the back and I ride, and yeah, and this one, first time be using this one, so it attaches here, and Island will be in the back right there while it rides. So that's the concept. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and even though we're not ready to go anywhere as yet, you know what I mean, it's just like after 7 in the morning, so you know, but we're gonna line it up and all of that, and we already had breakfast, so it's just about adventure day today, you know, me and little Bobo, father and son day, yeah, because it's 4 days off, so, and I mean, plus I have the weekend too, so, you know what I mean, it's literally like 1 full week pretty much, you know, so I have to be keeping active, you know what I mean, so let's do this, we're on a roll, let's go now. So let's hope the tires are just soft and not actually punctured, you know, so I'm gonna pump them up. As you can see, it's pretty soft. Pretty soft tires. They're pumping up. Pretty solid.
Is that my new bike?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's your bike trailer where you're gonna be sitting inside.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks. So you'll be sitting there, but it definitely needs some cleaning up, so I'm gonna have to clean it.
Yeah,
Like even this part, it's quite dirty.
There. And wheels. And the on the bicycle.
Have to give it a wash.
Dad, I was having so much dreams. I went to you back.
Oh yeah.
I was having so much dreams because I was having dreams because we was riding the bike together. Mom, you.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I was having so much dreams.
Got the soap out here. Give it a brush. can tell wherever it was sitting in a storeroom for too long, started mildewing. When I finish with it, gonna put it in the sun to dry. And I have to hold the brush away because top piece broke off. Okay. This is the box. You can also store things in the box here.
Yeah. Can you take it out? Can you take it out or not?
No, I'm good. Thank you, Bobo. As you can see now, the sun a peek out. Wash him. Yeah, to rinse him off. When it dry, a little more, and little Bobo can take a stroll. You guys gonna see where we go, so stay tuned, you know. Do not go anywhere. It's already looking much better, brighter color. So this what what I'm washing right now is the covering for the bike trailer. I forgot to show you all that part. So I'm just, you know, washing it out and then hang it on the line. So it has like a cloth, this part, and then you have this part which is the plastic. Yeah, so I guess also if it's rain, I don't know, but when I put it on I'll see how it looks. Yeah, so wash up everything, make sure everything clean before island go inside. So it's all washed now. Now it's time for it to dry, so let the natural heat of the sun do the job. Yes man, and then we'll hook it up to the bike and you guys will see the process of that and we hit the road. Yeah man, so before then go wash up some plate and thing and get the morning started. Yeah, so we're on a roll now. Let's go now. Alright, so it clean, you know. Wash and rinse. Hang him up. Hang him on the line, you know. It can stay and dry. It's a very windy day, so shouldn't take long for it to dry. So this is going to bring some new adventure for me and Island, you know. Yeah. Mad. Exploring.
Exploring.
Yeah.
Then I can explore here.
Hmm?
I can explore here.
Yeah, let's see. We're exploring a new park. There. Little islands. Island say I. Yeah, man. Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
Some kind of little garden I'm create here. It's winter in Australia, so it's extremely cold. The sun been on and off all morning, so yeah, it's about 18-19 degrees. This morning it dropped down to about 6 degrees, so yeah. That's okay.
I can get ice cream from the ice cream truck.
When we go home, we get ice cream. There's ice cream in the fridge. This one is like a orange tree.
Exploring here now again.
Yeah, this one is a orange. Maybe they're all fruit trees.
Some leaves for our fruits.
Careful of that, it has spikes.
Oh, that has ants too.
It has ants?
Yeah.
What is this one? It almost look like a cherry tree, like a local Jamaican cherry tree.
We're
But-
going to make a flower.
But maybe it's not.
Dad, can you,
Say hi.
hello, I mean,
What do you do? Don't do that.
mwah! I love you guys. Hey.
And this looks like a flower. I know it. Look, cow caca. You see that? That is caca.
Dad, why there's so many spider webs on the bed?
Yeah, spider webs. Dangerous. You stay away from that.
Yeah, don't stay away from spiders.
Yeah. Spiders and snakes are dangerous.
And a big lion scared.
Yeah. Ooh, and the sun. Oh, sun is on and off. It's too cloudy.
Can we go to the zoo and see a big lion?
Yeah. There he goes. So hours later, and this is the kind of weather we're experiencing. A very extremely windy day. Yeah, man. The wind turn up. Makes the day even much more colder right now. So after putting the bike trailer to dry, it's pretty much dry, but there's one bad news right now is that we have a flat tire. One of the tire is punctured, so I'm gonna have to get this patch before I can go anywhere with that, and I don't have any patch and solution. And I've had an experience before of bringing my bicycle to a bicycle shop, and I'm telling you, they charged me like $30, $35, and I couldn't believe it. Like, you know how much time I could have patched with that in Jamaica? But anyway, I'm like, wow, to patch a bicycle here, it's expensive. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get patch and solution to patch this one. Alright, my beautiful people, so
Wagwan, me there. So make a man to your boy. He's driving to
Shopping.
Mom's work.
we're going shopping.
Going to shopping.
Yeah, so
do you want to see the shopping?
just a little shopping where I go, you know me, a little bobo.
Wagwan, pop. Use a make a man.
Just I go pick up a few little things, nothing major, because we have pretty much everything at home that we really need. Yeah, so
Head,
that is that.
knees and toes.
You know, cook dinner. So that's a degree.
Knees and toes.
Yes, man, I don't know what I'll be cooking yet, but yeah, I'll decide when it's time.
For so long that I'm feeling alien. Been coming from the land down under, brother Australian. About to pass it off to my brother, rugged Jamaican.
Yeah, man. Hey, them irrelevant, we are nothing similar. When we in the room, them best address us like the elephant. Time now for speak my mind and for claim a remittance. Never trust a cheeky smile, for stay vigilant. But my feet never froze, my enemies been on the troll. Still we out here opening doors, I take no talk, my heart for coach. Give friends apart and family close, protect me heart from broke. So I go on, everybody keep calm, it's the best of this time. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all can hear me properly because it's a bit windy still. Yesterday was extremely windy, and yeah, it's the next morning here, and surprisingly you guys didn't see an adventure video. Reason being is because it was very cold yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, so decided to stay home. And it's actually really cold in Australia at the moment. I even saw it on the news last night. There's somewhere in Australia started snowing yesterday or the day before, so yeah, the temperature really dropped down. But the reason why I haven't decided to go riding with the bike trailer, like I showed you all yesterday, thinking that the tire was just soft, only to realize, look at this. Can you see that? That's the full tire. So yesterday I was inside the house and I heard something, boom, like something burst, and I heard it coming from out here, so I came and checked, and only to realize the tires are actually dry rotten, as we would say in Jamaica. But basically the tires are no good. So because the trailer have been put down for so long, the tires are no good. So definitely gonna have to get 2 tires. Both tires are flat. I pumped up both of them yesterday, and I don't know if I can show you this one, but the tires are completely like burst. Being in the sun, the tires are completely gone. So that's tire you're looking at, completely. So I'm gonna have to get I keep on saying tire, but it's actually the tube I meant to say. Yeah, so the tube completely burst. So we might go for a ride today. I wanted to actually go by the river to do a bit of fishing, me and Island. But since I won't be using the trailer, might just ride around with him today and just use this one, you know, go for a little ride. Yeah, because I'm not thinking of going nowhere to the ocean, to be honest, because it's no good weather, and yeah, it's quite risky. Yeah, so that is that, my people. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. This is just a short update of, you know, what happened yesterday and things like that. So yeah, man, give thanks for watching, my beautiful people, and definitely catch you in the next one. All right, peace out. Silent boy.